Take a tour on the Port Authority bus terminal. Hurry up. Alright guys, I really gotta pee. Should have had that other cup of coffee. I'm just trying to stay warm. Let's see if they got a bathroom up here though, for real, because I gotta go. Otherwise I'm gonna pee my pants by the time we make it to the airport, even before. Restrooms, okay, good. So that's fine. Alright, I'm gonna shut the camera off shortly and go to the bathroom. Alright guys, time for the pause in action. I had to stop and go to the bathroom, and I do take the camera off if I go into a bathroom. You readjust you there. So let's take a look at the upstairs here. Now I got a lot of time to kill, so let's look around. I'm freezing, but you can stay warm. So there's multiple Bank of America locations here. That's not bad. Let's see what they got. They got snack bars. Multiple Bank of America locations if you need to go to the ATM. So, shoe repair, cell phone repair, which is closed, snack bar. Look at that though. This is something. So, you know, sorry, like I said, I'm not good at this. I'm not good at this whole YouTube thing, guys. I try. So, another Bank of America, but this one's only ATMs. Ticket machines. Watches. That's really much it for the upstairs. So there really isn't much here to it, guys. But we can stay warm, which is what we need. Let's head back down. See, those were the bathrooms I was just at. Street level. So there's a Hudson booksellers here, just like at an airport. Let's go this way. Why not?
That's what I'm looking for.
Let's head back downstairs too.
Right. You're going here. That's awesome. Where's the back now? Okay, yeah. Girl, I'll be a mess. This one.
Okay, there's another Hudson. Let's head down. Excuse me. There's a PNC Bank over there. As we head down, there's another Hudson. I'm trying to be quiet because this is annoying to a lot of people, but Carla's Bake Shop, if you know that. Was it Cake Wars, I think? Charging bricks, you can pay $8, run it all day. That's pretty much it. There ain't a lot here. Baggage and your bus gates are down there. Yeah. So all in all, not a bad location. There's brochures everywhere. But we got to go to the bathroom, we got to warm up. Let's head back outside. See how this goes. So that's the Uber shuttle, but I'm not on that one. That's what it looks like. Okay. So, we're good. We're golden, guys.